We have this silver strategy, free trial, download in Tradestation, as well as E-mini S&P. For our upcoming webinar, we're going to talk about it in our webinar so you can get a head start. This webinar is on Wednesday, 2 days from now, on February the 3rd at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time when the market closes. And when you register, you'll be taken to a download link, and you can get this Tradestation file. You can download the easy language and the workspace and see these trades. Here is exhaust and reverse E-mini S&P. Here is exhaust and reverse silver going back 4 years. Going into a normal drawdown. This was the big news today. The GameStop crowd, supposedly, rumor has it, tried to short squeeze silver. I don't think you're going to be able to short squeeze a $1 trillion commodity market as much as you could a stock like GameStop. But the rumor, however, to whatever extent it was true, did move the market higher. Did generate a lot of trades in this strategy, and this strategy had a lot of good trades last week. You see plus 2,100 on Friday. It was down 1,000 on Thursday and down 2,000 today in a normal drawdown. And I want to show you a parameter set. This won't trade anymore this month. The thing is that if you have this strategy, if you download the trial, it won't trade anymore this month. I'm going to show you why. The parameter setup, it has the parameter settings are use monthly stop loss of 2,000, and so it's down 2,000. It's done for the month. What you could do is you could increase that monthly stop loss, or you could say, hey, I want to use maximum daily entries. I don't really want to trade 10 times a day or an unlimited number of times a day as it has in the past. That benefits us sometimes, and other times it does not. So maybe let's just say 5 times a day. What would happen if we traded 5 times a day and half the number of trades today? Let's see what the equity curve looks like. So if you set it to 5 times per day maximum, then you would have had these results: minus 1,100. It's not done for the month, and it's in a good drawdown place, so that if it loses a little bit more, it's done for the month, and so you could manage your risk like that. Good equity curve. It's not at a worst case drawdown. This right here is the worst case drawdown, so it's close to the worst case drawdown going back about 4.5 years. So that's one thing you could do in silver to be more aggressive in this strategy. Even the S&P, it won't trade if VIX is greater than 25. So it's not trading. What happens if you increase your VIX threshold to 35? You could do that. 35, what happens? You will get more trades. I'm going to show you what happens. So if you decide you want to be more aggressive, and you say, you know what, it's a gap down on Sunday night, I'm looking for a way to buy this, exhaust and reverse, what would it do if I increase the VIX threshold? And so it did indeed get in near the lows, and without a profit target, that would have been a nice trade. That is a hindsight, discretionary way to approach this systematically. This is the equity curve, and it's done pretty well in 2021, but it's definitely not what I want to trade. And so if you want to trade more, you can do something like that, but I prefer not to do that. I prefer to put together low frequency trading systems in a portfolio, and that's what this webinar is all about. Be sure you register, and be sure you download these strategies. Registration link is in the description below this video.